Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore motorcycle insurance coverage with Harley-Davidson Insurance, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your motorcycle insurance coverage with Harley-Davidson Insurance, start by gathering the necessary documents. Ensure you have your motorcycle's VIN, title, and registration documents handy. Contact Harley-Davidson Insurance through their customer service number or website. Provide them with your personal information, including your name, address, and contact details. Inquire about your previous policy to confirm any lapses in coverage. Discuss the reasons for restoring your insurance. Ask about any changes in coverage options or policy limits since your last policy. Review the documentation for any updates or requirements for re-enrollment. Fill out any necessary forms to initiate the restoration process. Double-check that all your information is accurate and up-to-date. Submit your completed forms and any additional documentation as required. Wait for confirmation from Harley-Davidson Insurance regarding the status of your policy. If approved, review your new insurance documents carefully. Make note of your policy number and effective dates for reference. Pay any necessary premiums to activate your coverage. Keep your insurance card in a safe and accessible place while riding. Regularly check in with Harley-Davidson Insurance for any updates or potential savings in the future. Ensure you stay aware of renewal dates to avoid any future lapses in coverage. Now you're all set to hit the road with your restored motorcycle insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.